I am Cat. Today we are playing I am Cat, not I. Okay, not me only. We are seeing the video, so we. Okay, nothing. Okay, the most weirdest thing about this game is so weird. I'm going to show you. First, I'm gonna go to the second floor. I'm gonna get a message soon, I think. Because I think so. Maybe not, maybe yes. Now. Oh, I'm at the second floor. Shall I jump off from here? Maybe not. Haha. Okay, I can climb. Cool. Okay, I'm climbing. But can I pick this up? Oh, yes, I can. I'm going to show it to Grandma. I know what to do. Grandma, oh, you're watching TV, alright? You're watching TV, right? Boom. Oh. No worries, I know what to do. Grandma, yay. Come here, Grandma. This is the most weirdest thing. Like, how? Boom. Hehe. Stay there. Oh my god. Okay, can I pull your leg? Yes, I can. I'm going to bring you upstairs. No mind. I'm your boss. I'm your boss. Come here. Come. Oh my god. Can you please get out of my face? Okay, let's see. I'm just going to leave her for a while there. I'm going to see. Run, sneaky cat. Like my name, like my channel name is the Sneaky Slug. But I'm calling myself in this game the Sneaky Cat. Fall asleep. Okay, I want to fall asleep. I'm sleeping. What will happen the next day? Level 2! Yay! Okay, oh, I can pick this up. I know what to do. Show it at Wow, if Grandma is watching television, she is not healthy. She's being so dumb. She's not being healthy. Okay, I'm just going to climb there. I'm kidding. Wow, what with Grandma? She disappeared. Okay, maybe I'm going to turn on television for her so she will come and watch it. Please tell me she's not here, please. Okay, I think she can snap me with a pan. I think. Okay? I think. The television is on. I want to change. What? Like, oh. This is realistic. This is like in real life. This is real life. But the water. Oh my god, that's cute. It's cute. Look at that cat. Look at it. Okay, fine. Okay, I'm going to find Grandma now. What's here? No. Now, what is this? Okay, where's Grandma? Is Grandma gone? Okay, can we open these doors? No. But we can climb. What is this? Like, oh, okay, here's the suspect. You are the suspect. Scratch. You didn't even get scratched. Hey, you. Okay, this. Can we grab the head? Oh, we can. That's much better. Where are you? Guys. I'm going to make her lay down here. Like she can never get up. Okay, maybe that's weird. But I'm leaving her there. Okay. Ooh, screwdriver. Jump. Oh my god, screwdriver. It said it's for ad. I'm not watching an ad. And oh my god, what is she doing? I'm just going to make the volume. So Grandma can hear and she will come to watch it. Volume. Is she coming? Is she really coming? How does she sit? Oh, whoa! Granny, we are watching. Oh She's laughing. She's literally laughing. Get out! Get out! There we go. Can we catch this thing? No. Okay. If I can clear that out, I would. Okay. I'm just gonna grab this toy. No, I'm not doing that toy. Okay. Ah! Okay, let's boo. Alright. Time to fall asleep again. I'm sleeping so fast now. Okay guys, when we come back, I'm gonna end the video. Bye. I'm not gonna end the video. Okay, I know what to do first. I know first. Where's Grandma? Where's Grandma? I think she's coming. Yeah. And now I'm gonna put a cartoon. Then she will get distracted by the cartoon. Okay. Oh, I'm changing the channel every time. Okay, that's good. That's good. I think Grandma like this kind of stuff. That's how she connected. Okay, 100%. Run, Grandma. Where's Grandma? I need to be sneaky. Okay, I think I have few tasks. Maybe I will get the message. I think so. Can I climb up here? Yes. Oh my. Come on, Grandma, go. Watch your channel. Look at those stinky boots. Grandma, why don't you change your boots and your clothes? Oh, come on. Can't say it. Oh my. Can we go outside? It looks fun. Grandma, open the door. Give me the keys. Grandma, give me the keys. I take the keys. Where's the keys? I want the keys. To garage, need key card. Key card? I need to find the key card. Where do I get the key card from? Key card, I need a key card. Oh. Okay, where's the key card? Where do you find the key card from? What's this? Okay, now what happens? Everything looks normal. Does the door open? I'm going to draw this at Grandma. Where's Grandma? Hey, I'm your grandcat. Do you know that so I can do anything? Oh, how is it hanging on? Grandma, can you please stop laughing? It's annoying. You get a punishment. Get off. For that, you are going to jail. Okay, can you grab your head, please? Okay, you are going to jail. Come here, little lady. Come here, you are going to jail. The deepest jail. I mean the uppest jail. Okay, you're going under here. Never mind, I can't put you there. You're going here. This is your jail. Stay there. Oh my god, I'm stuck. Okay, just give me a book. I'll just slap her with it. Bruh. She got up already? Where is she going now? How is she so fast? Okay, where is she? I'm getting angry at you. Come here. Scratch. Come here. You're coming with me. You're making me angry, not my fault. Oh my, what is that? I need a need to go here. Key card. You're going to jail. Hey. You do not watch television. You're not watching television? Good. Okay, where are you? Oh, come on. How does she get up? She gets up so fast. Guys, why does she get up so fast? Ah! Okay, where is she? Please tell me she's not. I'm getting so much angry at you, so please go away. Okay, I'm just finding the key card. I know what to do. That she will go. I know what to do. She's getting distracted by this television. Where's the remote? Where's the... Granny? Where did you hide the remote? Oh my god, guys. I hate her so much. Are you saying on the remote? You are going to jail. Real jail. You're coming with me. This is not a jail. Okay, this is good jail. This is really good jail. Stay there and fit in there. I'm gonna watch you. Okay, watching is quite boring, so I will just see something. There. No! I don't think it's back with the plant. Please, Granny, please. Granny, you're so slow. No, she's getting fast. No. Can I cook her? Is that allowed? Oh, that's worse. I can throw this cup at her. Granny, you want a cup of tea? Get a cup of tea. Oh my, that blocked. Oh no, the sink isn't good. Oh my god. Granny, get here. No, I missed. Toaster. I need to go to sleep. No. Should I put TV? I think I should put TV. Guys, help! Here's the TV remote. Now! Granny, please don't come to me. Granny, please. Granny. Hey! Will she come with the pen now? I'm ready. Oh, no, mind, I'm not. Jump! Got a plate. I think Granny used the plate. Oh my. How did you? Get smacked. Oh my god, she's so close to me. Granny, try to get up. I'm waiting for you, my little child. Come on, try to get up. It's morning. Come on. Come on, stop being lazy! Did I just show this to her already? Stop being lazy. I'm literally saying stop being lazy. Oh my. Can you please clean your nose? I'm just gonna get her. I'm just gonna do something. She is so much annoying me right now from doing this. That's why this is called this star. Oh my god. Okay. Stay in there. I said squeeze. In there. Squeeze your little toes in there. Squeeze your little toesy. There we go. Better. Don't even try to get up, okay? So stinky nosy. Okay, I just take a book. Oh my god. She got up. Come on, not cool, Granny. Granny, it's not cool. That scared me. Not cool at all. Granny, you're going to get payback. No! Yep. Oh my god. Okay. Where's the toaster? Toaster. Oh, I can kind of. Okay. Granny, my little sunny boy. Sunny girl. Sunny boy. Haha. Yeah. Okay. Boom. Oh my god. I want to do yes. Run. Grab something before I run. This is good. No, she's awake. Come on, Sunny boy. Come on, Sunny boy. That's so hard what I'm doing, guys. So hard. Oh, sandwiches. We'll have a toast for lunch. Granny, I'm making a toast for you. Let me put it in there. Then let me wash the bread. Huh? No. Take a bread. Sunny boy. That's nothing. Sunny boy, my little sunny boy. Run. No. She's so close to me. Go! Oh my god, guys, I don't know how I'm doing this. Guys, I don't know how I'm doing this. Let me know in the comment below. I'm definitely taking this. It doesn't break. Sunny boy. Hey, run to the kitchen. I need to go to the kitchen. I'm at the kitchen. Oh, come on. Haha, Sunny boy. Ooh, sticks. Hot dogs, kebabs. Okay, not hot dogs, kebabs. Okay. Where is she? Come here, Sunny boy. Come here. Yep, thank you. Again, I don't know what Sunny boy is. Oh, no. She got a pan. Yes, she does. Oh my god. I'm so scared. What is happening? And this is oh my god. Yeah. Oh my. No. I'm going with you now. Bye.